offsite management is going to be a new role in the industry, but they have to straddle between the traditional and the new, which can sometimes be difficult. I think the new skill set that site managers have to acquire is understanding a production process and what that involves in the factory environment. Taking their traditional skill set, applying it to the factory in terms of the quality management and implementing quality management procedures. The safety standards, that'll become less focused on site managers, because that function is going to be carried out as part of the factory process, where they can't influence it as much. I think it revolves around more of the quality, implementing quality systems, utilising the design systems that are already there for the traditional sense, applying that to the factory and how they can improve that process. And then I suppose one of the biggest things is the logistics. How do we get these volumetric units or offsite components to the site, get them constructed on the site? So your logistics on the site, there's the delivery logistics being one element of it, but also the site logistics. Where are laydown areas? How do we get these units into positions? What are the interfaces between traditional components and the new offsite components? So I think that's going to evolve over the next couple of years, and I think we have to equip our site managers with that skill set to allow them to carry out their job and their function. So it's really important that we start that learning process now, because this is the future. Offsite is here, it's already here, but it's just going to become more and more prevalent as the years go on and as the labour market is constrained. The key things site managers need to know and understand about offsite management is planning. Get the planning right from the beginning, and that sometimes can be quite difficult if the production process is ahead of what the traditional process, because we still have to undertake traditional elements in the substructures and superstructure to support the offsite elements. Understand the planning process to make sure that the elements are on programme, because if they're ahead of programme, we then have problems with storage. And where do you store these completed units? And that comes at a cost. So it's a fine balance between getting the logistics right, getting the planning right, but also I think it makes, the job role will change, where I think the quality standards become much more streamlined. They will be the voice for the client in the factory environment, and attend a lot of production meetings, a lot of process-driven meetings, a lot of quality benchmark meetings, which they may not have to do on a traditional site environment. But I think we're in a good place to allow them to do that, and we're in a good place to give them the skills to do it.